Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create this beautiful bar chart and Laravel and React application where you can show total of each of your product with different colors and with total and their name as well. So let's go to our VS Code and build this bar chart. The first thing that we have to do is to create a new model with migration and controller. Then when it's done, then after that we have to go to our database folder, migrations folder, and select our newly created migration file. In that file, we have to define our column names. So in here, I am going to add a product ID, transaction type, quantity, price, and status as a column names. Then after that we have to go to our controller by going to our app folder, http and controllers. Then in here we have to select our newly created controller and create a new method with the name of bar chart. In this we are going to return a JSON with 3 keys inside it, one for our pending, one for completed, and one for cancelled. Then after that we also have to create a new route for this to access this controller. So we will go to our routes folder and api.php. In here we are going to create a new group route with a prefix of charts. Then inside here we are going to create our route to access our data. Then after this part is complete, we can access our data with the JSON type. Now up to now our backend is complete. After this we are going to create our front end. For the React application, we need to install 2 packages. One is Axios and another one is Chart.js. You can install them by running npm i Axios and npm i chart.js. Then after that, we have to create our bar chart component in our React application. Then on that, we have to import React, use effect, use reference from React and Chart.js. And also we have to import Axios. After that, we have to define our bar chart component and export it so we can use it in other places. After that, we have to create a reference to access the canvas element from the chart, and also create another reference to keep track of the current chart instance. After creating the references, then we have to create a function to create a chart with provided data. In here, we have to check if there is an existing chart instance. If there is, then we have to destroy it. Then we have to create a new chart instance using the Chart.js library and set the type to bar. Then after that we have to call our data. Inside here we have to set our labels and our data set as well with the background colors and data that we get from the server. And also we can add our options, so we can define plugins, scales, and the title text of our chart. Then after that we have to fetch our data from our backend. So we are going to create a new function with the name of fetch transaction data and call our API from our server. And at the end, we will use effect to run this function when the component loads. Once everything is set, then we are going to return our canvas and set the reference to chart reference to view our bar charts. Once everything is done, then we can display our charts and it's ready. You can see like this. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to press the subscribe and like button. See you guys in the next video.